You are the vine, and we are the branches. I can do nothing apart from you. The giver of life, the one to hold on to. I can do nothing apart from you. No, no. You're my lifeline. 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 You're showing forgiveness and loving your children. I can do nothing apart from you. No, no. Speaking your word and being able to listen. I can do nothing apart from you.
Hey friends, welcome back to The Johnson's Life. I am Natara, and today I'm going to take you guys along with me on my day. As of right now, I am in my office. And y'all, my office is a mess. It is my office / guest room. So today I'm going to be in here working in my office, editing videos and cleaning up this room. So yeah, you guys, I just want to come on and open up the video. But right now I have a problem. You see this? This is one of my USBs, and the little silver thing got stuck in there. So I'm about to use these tweezers and get it out. We'll try to get it out. Okay. It's right. It's that one right there. So see if I can get it out, because I need it. I'm not buying another one of these. They're slippery.
You're my lifeline, you're my lifeline, you're my lifeline. You're my lifeline, you're my lifeline, you're my lifeline. You're my lifeline, you're my lifeline, you're my lifeline.
Over me with light, serenity, a holy peace. He shows his love is free and wide. He is the master of my life. He washes over me with light, serenity, a holy peace. He shows his love is free and wide. He is the master of my life. He has chosen me. I have chosen him. Let there be nothing in between, nothing in between. He carries me beneath his wing, from glory to the deepest pain. I dance beside him in the rain. His goodness has become my strength.
can't find the silver lining, all tangled up inside, and you wanna hide. You can run to me, and when you're feeling lonely, ain't got no one to hold you, it don't matter where they ran to, you'll be alright. You can run to me. You can run to me. Yeah. You can run to me. You can run to me. Yeah. You can run to me. And in the end, just don't fear. And know your Father's still here. Oh, I got you, I'll make it real clear. All your life, you can run to me. 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 Hearing the waiting, wandering and fading, I know there is something more than this. I think I am ready for doing some changing. Oh God, there is something more than this. You can have all the world. I wanna be a shining light, live a life that shows through the darkness, a fire burning in the night, be a home for the world so broken, be a friend to the lonely, the joy that he showed me, make the broken things new. Yeah, I'm the only home for you and I wanna have the heart of Jesus. Yeah. I wanna have the heart of Jesus. Keep my windows open, I hear the cries of the broken. I know they were made for more than this. I see all the fire and smoke and their hearts are losing hope.
to Dollar Tree. I got my puppy with me. He's in the back, so yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to take y'all into Dollar Tree because I'm gonna have to carry him. But if I can, I will. I hope you guys are having a great day. It is like 2:44 in the afternoon. So yeah, y'all. Also, I want to let y'all know that I did not go down to my son's school. I'm gonna go first thing in the morning. It's not an emergency or anything like that. I just needed to drop something off to the nurse. But yeah, y'all, headed up to Dollar Tree. Okay, y'all, I'm back in the car. I only got a few things. I really didn't get, you know, nothing worth vlogging. I got 2 of the liter drinks like this. I have this orange one and a lemon lime one. Then I got this True Lemon water packet and this Sonic strawberry lemonade water packet, and it's all, what is it? 0 sugar, no sugar. And then I picked up this Arizona tea, and I also picked up the watermelon kind. And I got 2 of the Badil complete seasoning. And that's all I got, y'all. And that came up to be $9.33. I remember when Dollar Tree used to be $1, it's $1.25 and higher now. So yeah, y'all, we're finna get back on this road and head back home.
You will never let me go. Time has come and all the colors fade. When I see the end and I have run the race, you will stay with me through all the wait and pain. And I'll be filled.
Okay, y'all, I have made it back home. I am sitting in my garage. I am about to get out. But I just want to come back on and tell you guys this is the end of the video. I'm not doing anything else today that's worth filming. So I will pick you guys up in my next video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me in this video. Thank you guys so much for all the comments that you left on my last video. I really do appreciate you guys. And also, you guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet and you're just watching, please subscribe to the channel. It really does help my channel out. And also interact in the comment section, like the videos, share them, and yeah, you guys, I will see you guys in next Monday's video. Bye, guys.